Electric vehicle crash tests at Nebraska make national news. Husker researchers crashed a 7,000-pound electric pickup going 62 miles per hour into concrete barriers commonly used as freeway medians. The barriers contained the collision, but chunks of concrete went flying, and the 5,000-pound barriers were pushed 10 feet back. That's 50% more than normal.
Unfortunately, these guardrail systems, which have performed very well with gasoline vehicles historically, do not appear to be containing electric vehicles when impacting with similar types of conditions. When these electric vehicles are a little bit heavier, they require more force to be able to be redirected backwards into the travel lanes or onto the shoulder, and that extra force may be more than these guardrail systems are designed to handle.
More than 19,000 people died in crashes where their vehicle left the roadway last year, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. This makes up nearly half of all traffic deaths. A Nebraska team unravels secrets woven into historic quilts. A group of volunteers works to decipher mysteries hidden in the collections of UNL's International Quilt Museum. The Genealogical Task Force researches any quilt that comes in the museum with names written or embroidered on it. The volunteers add the names and other information to the museum's database and popular ancestry websites like Find a Grave and Ancestry.com. The group has stitched together clues on more than 600 quilts in the 20 years since they started. A high-flying Husker tradition requires military planning, precise timing, and a team of UNL students. Air Force ROTC cadets help coordinate the stadium flyover at each Cornhusker home game. The students position themselves at the top of Memorial Stadium, where they connect the activities on the field with the pilots in the air.
So we kind of coordinate a lot with the pilots beforehand to make sure that we have everything lined up, also in coordination with the athletics department. And then when we get here, we just make sure that radio checks are all good and that the crew knows exactly when everything needs to happen. But being able to do this for 2 years and being able to talk to pilots from all around the country, even all over the world, and just see what their motivation is, what their why is for joining the Air Force, making me a lot more solidified in my decision to try and compete for an Air Force pilot slot.
After the flyover, the students escort the pilots to the field to be recognized during the fourth quarter. And that's what's happening this week at UNL. I'm Mackenzie Noble.